Good morning, gurus. Big congratulations. Bitcoin's still pumping. I closed my trade yesterday, but it's still up a little bit from where I closed it. But I moved a lot into altcoins. Doge massively up, Ton massively up, Uniswap massively up. If you bought Sui at $2, I closed my Sui positions. But if you had it when I posted about it 2 weeks ago, it's up massively today, 20%. Hit the subscribe button, smash up, thumbs up button, turn on the bell. And if anyone's asking me why I don't hold everything, I can't buy everything that I analyze with you guys. Sometimes I have to sell things and move it, but usually I took out $50K 2 days ago to invest in OpenAI at $150 billion valuation in a series round, and my account is already back plus 50K from the gains in one day. I'm going to show you, which is amazing. Let's jump into the technicals for Bitcoin now. I'll do Doge, Bitcoin, Uniswap as many as I can. This is my trading account on Bybit. You can see 790K. So this was at the beginning of the week, 725K. And then it went to 784K. Then I took out 50K to seed invest OpenAI. A round invest in OpenAI at $150 billion valuation. So then the account went back down to 750. And now we're back to 790. Doge, some big things are pumping right now. I just posted them on X. What I bought is pumping a lot. You can see Tesla 124% since I bought it at 141. Ton up 7%. I bought Ton 3 days ago. I put $73,000 into Ton. Doge is up 7.6%. It's up 102% since I posted this. Elon is straight out capital letter printing it for you. If you don't understand, sorry, you're not going to make it. It's up 102% since then. Trump won, Ethereum at 3,100. If Trump wins, ETH will go to 3,200. If Kamala wins, 1,800. And it's pumping right now. And you can see here on TradingView, this is where I do my charting. You can get this on your phone. Sui up 21%, Doge up 8.4%, Tesla 8% yesterday, World 7.9%, Ton plus 7%, Ethereum plus 6%, Uniswap plus 4%, BNB plus 4%, GOAT plus 3%, total market cap 2.6 trillion almost, MCRT 1.5%, XRP 1.2%, Bitcoin 0.5%. Big congratulations to all of you. Let's go check out the buys. So over here on my trading account, you can see I've got 25K in here, USDT, MCRT, 677 and 87K here on my longs, 677, 200K cash almost, 147,000 in Uniswap now. I bought 140,000, now it's 147,000, so up 7,000 in 2 days, up 5%, which is beautiful. Ton, I put in 75,000, now it's, or 100,000 something, now it's 112,000, up 7%. MCRT is slightly up today, 2.2%. I seed invested and own all of these tokens. Everyone, you have to do your own due diligence, consult your own brokers, and make your own decisions. Doge up 7.8%. I put in 75K of Doge. It's now 104,000 in just a few days, which is amazing. Big congratulations to all of you. Let's go into the technicals for Bitcoin, and then Doge, and then Ton, because I would say I'll do it by the biggest holdings I have. 76,700. On the weekly charts, on the weekly charts, it's the last day of the week, 1 day left, and Bitcoin is just going for it on the weekly, breaking out of this big bull flag. The target of this cup and handle and bull flag is all the way up at 104,000. So it's going for it, stochastic heading up. On the daily, it's pushing out, trying to break through this channel. You can see this channel. And I closed it yesterday around just a little bit under here on the theory that this rising wedge could break down on the weekend, but it's not. It's pushing up very strongly even on the weekend. Let's go closer onto the 4 hourly. It's breaking out. It broke down a little bit from this rising wedge that I saw yesterday, broke down a little bit, but then it's just pushing out again, which is beautiful. And it's breaking out. That would create a little bit of a bull flag if we draw it out now. I closed my trade yesterday, a few thousand in 4,000 or 5,000 in the profits. A little bit of a rising wedge, to be honest. I still see a little bit of a rising wedge on Bitcoin. And now the altcoins are pumping. So, I'll keep my trade at 72,500, stop loss 71,900, risk to reward 368. Target is the bull market top, 268,000, October 2025. 530 risk per Bitcoin to make $195,000. But it is breaking out right now, Bitcoin. If you want to take a risky long here, could try to take it off this resistance. Off this support. But I would, to be honest, I wouldn't. It does look like a little bit of a rising wedge. I would take it at 72,500. Now let's go by the biggest holding. So that's pumping Uniswap 147 and TON 112. So I'll do Uniswap now. Uniswap is pumping also up 4.9%, almost 5% on Uniswap. Bull flag, straight away I see a bull flag. It activated the trade from, or I think it activated the trade from yesterday, or it just missed out. It came down to $8.60, $8.69, and we have the trade at 8.66.4. So it might have missed it yesterday, everyone. It does look like a bull flag that is going to target $10.80 on the hourly time frame. Let's zoom out a bit on the weekly time frame. You can see it's breaking this huge descending wedge, everyone. You see it? Massive descending triangle is breaking out, right? Breaking out. Base of the triangle is the target. So this distance here, I'll show you what I mean. So this is the descending triangle. As I teach you in the crypto master course, jamescryptoguru.com, builds pressure, and breaks out the base of the triangle, which is this distance here. And when I measure out this distance, actually, we could even measure it out from the bottom, from this spike, because it's spiked up there. Target would be $21. $21 on Uniswap, everyone. If not taken a trade yet, it just missed out activating the trade. Oh, actually, no, it got the trade from yesterday. Cool. It activated the trade. It came down, activated $8.60. I had the stop loss $8.40 and target $10. Big congratulations, anyone that set that trade yesterday. That smaller trade activated, the riskier one activated yesterday, which is beautiful. This one didn't activate, but the riskier one actually did. It doesn't look like it did on the 4-hourly, but when you go into the hourly, you can see, oh no, it didn't by a few cents. That bull flag is in play right now as well with $10.90. Inverse head and shoulders I'm seeing here as well. Looks like shoulder, head, shoulder breakout. Inverse head and shoulders. If you haven't taken a long yet, I would try. Where would I take a long right now? I would take it from support area. So I would take it from here. A little bit higher because it's very bullish right now. $8.90, stop loss $8.80. Take profit, I would take all the way to the bull market target, $21. Because why? Because Uniswap, once Bitcoin is making all this money, people are going to move into the alts, and that's what you're seeing right now. Everyone's like, oh, I can't buy Bitcoin at 78K, but I want to buy an altcoin. So $21 is the target, and then next target $31. An all-time high of Uniswap, Bitcoin already broke all-time high. All-time high of Uniswap would be $44. Those are targets of this potential, but I would take this one here. This trade, when I zoom in on the daily, it's already breaking out of this descending triangle, which is amazing. Opening at $8.90, stop loss $8.80. This is a new trade. We've already been in it, risking 1% to make potentially 133%. Risk toward 89 times. Every dollar risked, $89 potential gain. That's the trade I would take on Uniswap. And again, I already hold Uniswap. I've got 140,000. I bought 140,000 of it. I posted it on X a few days ago. Let's see if you can see it. 140,000. TON, Doge, Trump one. I want to try and see this Uniswap. Doge, TON, Team Doge. Maybe I put it. Uniswap. And then let's do Doge next, or TON. I'll read your questions to ask. Okay, I'll try to find it. But I bought Uniswap 140,000 a few days ago, and now it's up a lot. Also, BNB, this was me talking about BNB hitting my targets. Congratulations. If you followed that target, was in January 2023, and yesterday it hit it. BNB, I called it a long time ago. This is again over on my Twitter, James Crypto Guru, 85,300 followers, and this was me 1st January 2023. Inverse head and shoulders on BNB, smaller time frame and hourly. If this breaks the large symmetrical triangle daily time frame, BNB can be going to 646. We're buying BNB at $200 to now. BNB is sitting at BNB is sitting at $625, exactly as predicted. It was about 1 year ago, or no, January 2023. So it was at $200 when I posted that. Now we're at $600, everyone. Look at my portfolio right now, like all my watch list, amazing, in the green. Let's go into Uniswap let's go into Doge technicals. 8% up, 7.9% up on Doge. Huge breakout. Even in yesterday's video, I was talking about Doge. We've got bull flag. I see another bull flag formed on Doge here on the 4 hourly. Everyone see it? Small bull flag there. If we measure out the bull flag here, the base of the pole, this distance here, and we measure it out, target is 23 cents of this bull flag. Let's zoom out on the weekly chart. We've got that big descending wedge that I showed, and another descending wedge that it's already hit the target actually of that descending wedge. Volume massive, stochastic heading up, volume heading up. It's pretty much at the resistance. 23 cents is a big resistance, but I think it's going to break through here. It's going to get a lot of push with Elon Musk. He keeps calling himself the Doge father. He says Doge will take over the world. Resistance 23 cents, 27 cents, 33 cents, and then all-time high would be at 75 cents, which, if you remember my videos, who was watching with me on Saturday Night Live when I said buy the rumor, sell the news? Elon Musk went on May 3rd, 2021 to go on Saturday Night Live. Oh no, it was around May 3rd. Who remembers? Who was watching it with me when I said buy the rumor, sell the news? We bought the rumor. I warned everyone Elon Musk is going to do a mass wealth redistribution at 0.003, and then we went all the way to 75 cents on Saturday Night Live, and I warned everyone buy the rumor, sell the news. And now we're heading back there 3 years later, everyone. 3 years later, we're on our way back towards those targets. We've got resistance at 23, 27, 33, and 74 cents. It broke through that channel. It's just heading up. On the 4 hourly, we have a little bit of a bull flag. On the hourly, you can more clearly see this bull flag that I showed yesterday, pole and flag. And the target is the distance of the pole, so 24 cents, and it's just pushing up. Where would I go long? Try to catch it on some support. So like pull back onto support. Take the crypto master course to learn how to trade before you do any trading, everyone. This is the trade I would take on Doge, and I would take it all the way to all-time high. Elon Musk is the Doge father. He says that there's so many posts that I've been posting about Doge. I can just show you. I search for it. Look at all my posts about Doge. 7%, 102% since the blog post. Elon is straight out capital letter printing it. If you don't understand, you're not going to make it. You're definitely the best. I'm so thankful. Thoughts on Doge? You're getting your answer. Doge pumping. He's ready. Do you guys think Elon Musk will use some of his 300 billion, the richest man in the world? He has more than 300 billion now, to buy some Doge. A lot of people said yes. Let's see. Nah, just his name is enough. We and some funds will put in the money. 100%. He already owns a good amount. I don't think he's buying any more. I think he will use some of his 300 billion to buy more. He already has Doge. No, being a US cabinet level executive, he can't pump the market then take profits. I think he's just going to move some of his 300 billion. He's already the richest man in the world. Why does he need to take profits? Most likely Bitcoin as well. And if you followed, he posts things like, if you followed Elon's post, he posts things like he's the Doge father. Let's see if we got more. I talk about Doge a lot. Doge is also coming to the Magicraft game also, everyone. And you can just see everything that I've been posting about Doge. Let's go back in. So Doge pumping, so where would I set a target to take profits is the question. To be honest, with Doge in power of the government with Donald Trump, I don't know how high this go. I'm going to set alerts would be, one big resistance would be at 34 cents. And one major resistance would be at 75 cents. These are places I can take profit, and one big resistance would be at 45 cents. I can take profits and set, and then get rejects, like buy dips on those profits. And again, this is the trade that I would take on Doge, the one I just talked about, opening at 20 cents, stop loss 19.30, and take profit at all those targets on Doge, which is beautiful. I'm just going to leave it at that. Let's read some of you can join us in the Telegram. There's 236 of you online. My take profit was filled thanks to you. 3,154. Everyone, you can see that new all-time high. People discussing Ethereum hitting 3147. Big congratulations. As for my tone trade, like I said yesterday, I'm waiting for a close to see where it may lazy in relation to EMA. I realize in the chat, whenever coins moons, people go berserk. You can see just everyone discussing charts, what's happening, people talking, people arguing. Everyone don't argue in here. If you're saying stupid shit, you'll just get banned. We have one of the highest moderated telegrams in crypto. Doge up 590%. Big congratulations to you. Who is this? Amazing. Vladimir, big congratulations to you, 590%. You can just see everyone posting their charts, their gains, discussing. See how the chat automatically translates everyone to English? Get the premium, everyone. Now we're no longer English. It's international chat because you can you can just buy premium on Telegram and it automatically translates everyone. 630%, 1,400% on Doge, 542% on Doge. Big congratulations to all of you. Join them in the chat. I'm going to leave it at that. Just big congratulations, all of you. All the links are down below. Take the courses if you haven't taken the courses. You can learn all this. This is not the first time for me. If you've been following my videos for many, many years, these are some of my students' gains. For a long time, I've been doing this now. Everyday videos for almost 4 or 5 years. You can see gains $880. Some students $14,000, $500,000. My portfolio hit over $1 million because of James. Expertise, taking his master course. I made $1 million in the past 5 months, and you can just see many bought your course a few months ago, bought a new Harley Davidson, took some profits, bought your course. You can just see I'm buying a $2 million house from your videos, buying Villa in Punta Cana, bought a Ferrari 430 Scadia. You're awesome, man. I love your life plan at 430. I just started 2 weeks ago, profits of 1,700 so far, and you can just see it's just thousands and thousands of people like this, and I'm glad that I get to help all of you. Big congratulations to all of you. Doge, Bitcoin, Uni, Ton. I've got my trade set up on Doge to buy on Bitcoin to if it pulls back. Now I'm mainly in alts. I just woke up, so my hair is very messy. Even though it's tied up in a bun, it's getting longer, you see, which is awesome. And in the next video, I'm going to do Ton. Let's see. Love you all. Let me know in the comment section anything you'd like me to analyze. Let me know what you bought down below if you made gains. Big congratulations to all of you. Love you all. Have an amazing weekend, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.